Hey everyone! So let's talk about AI. Yep, that AI. The one that writes emails, generates art, takes customer service calls, and maybe, just maybe, is eyeing your job like a seagull eyes fries on the beach. But before we all run for the hills or start crafting resumes for careers, let's unpack what's really going on. Right now, the AI wave is crashing hard across industries. Microsoft recently announced layoffs affecting around 9,000 employees. That's about 4% of its global workforce, as it doubles down on AI-driven systems. Imagine being replaced by a line of code that doesn't even need coffee breaks or complain about office temperature. Brutal. And it's not just Microsoft. Salesforce, the cloud giant that sounds like it should be a Marvel superhero, has openly said AI now handles 30% to 50% of their daily operations. But okay, let's not panic just yet. While yes, some jobs are being automated, studies are showing that AI tends to gobble up the boring, repetitive tasks. Data entry, call scripts, bookkeeping, the things most people already dread doing. It's like having an intern who never sleeps and doesn't steal your lunch from the fridge. Freelancers, for instance, are seeing a boost. Some making up to 25% more because they're working with AI instead of against it. Imagine getting paid more to do less. But here's where it gets juicy. Wall Street. Apparently, AI can now draft 95% of an IPO document in minutes. What used to take a team of sweaty analysts and 2 nervous interns can now be done by a bot faster than you can say market volatility. If you listen closely, you can almost hear the Ivy League finance bros sobbing into their Patagonia vests. Now, the question on everyone's mind, how bad is this gonna get? Well, one report suggests that by 2030, up to 92 million jobs could be displaced. That's a lot. Like, we need a bigger HR department level of a lot. But, and here's the twist, those same reports predict that around 78 million new jobs could emerge. So it's not so much jobs disappearing as it is jobs shape-shifting into weird futuristic hybrids. MIT and Boston University are chiming in too, estimating over 2 million jobs in manufacturing alone could disappear by 2025. But interestingly, not every job is equally exposed. Roles that involve human touch, like therapists, teachers, and ironically, AI ethics consultants, are relatively safe. Because let's face it, would you really trust a robot to handle your emotional breakdown after your cat leaves for your neighbor's house? Probably not. And let's not forget, even as AI advances, very few companies actually feel AI mature. In fact, McKinsey says only 1% of businesses feel like they're getting the full value from their AI tools. So basically, 99% of bosses still don't know how to properly use ChatGPT, and we're all safe. For now. And remember, if your boss is a robot, at least you'll never get called into an awkward, "Can I see you in my office?" meeting again. Peace.